Okay, the shareholders are interested to buy shares in a company that is making profits. Okay, so we've been told to find the average rate of return. Okay, so the first thing what we're going to do is we're going to calculate depreciation, because before we can get the profits, we have to get the depreciation. All right. So what our depreciation is using the straight line method. Okay, depreciation is using the straight line method. So say depreciation equals cost minus scrap value divided by the number of years. Right, I'll just say time here, it's the number of years. So it costs 90,000, right? We say 90. Okay, 90. Okay, let's use the whole figures. 90,000 minus 10,000. Okay, and they say it's got a useful life of 4 years divided by 4. So 90,000 minus 10,000, we get 80,000. 80,000, right? 80,000 divided by 4, we get 20,000. Okay, 20,000. And now, since we want our depreciation, we can now calculate our profits for each of the years. So we're going to say, we'll say insert table, right? We're going to name the year, cash flow, depreciation, profit. Yeah. We'll say year on the cash flows. All right, and then depreciation here. And then we have profit. So now, since we have our depreciation value, we can calculate the profit of each year. So for year 1, all right, we're expecting 20,000. Depreciation is 20,000, all right. So year 1, no profit. That's sad. First year, no profit. Wow. Right, end of year 2, all right, we expect 30,000. Depreciation 20,000. So I'm going to say, remember, profit equals cash flow minus depreciation. So say 30,000 minus 20,000, we get 10,000. Right. End of year 3, we are expecting 40,000. Cash flow is 40,000. Subtract from the depreciation 20,000. Right. So our profit will be 20,000. Okay. At the end of year 4, at the end of year 4, expect 10,000. Right, depreciation will be 20,000. Okay. 10,000 minus 20,000. So end of year 4, we're expecting a loss actually. We're expecting a loss. So now, since that we've calculated the profits for each of the individual years, we're going to total them up. So we're going to say total profit. All right, total profit. So we're going to say 10,000 plus 20,000, that is 30,000. 30,000 plus negative 10,000, we get 20,000. So total profit is 20,000, right? Now, in the average, in the accounting rate of return, all right, we want to find out the average profit, all right? So we're going to say average profit, okay? Average profit equals total profit divided by the number of years, all right? Divided by the number of years. So it's a total profit of years, right? So that is going to be, so the total profit is 20,000, right? 20,000 divided by 4, right? 20,000 divided by 4. So the average profit is going to be 5,000. And average profit is going to be 5,000. Okay. Now, want to find our average investment, all right? Our average investment. And average investment, let's see. Okay, average investment equals cost plus scrap value divided by 2. Okay, so the cost is 90,000. So 90,000 plus 10,000.
Hello?
Yes.
That's a question. On year 4, that's the scrap value we are expected. So why are we depreciating when on the scrap value?
No. Can you see the cash flows here? Year 4, 10,000.
Yes, I thought that's the scrap value that remained.
No. We're getting the information from this table 4, which they've given us here. All this information is coming from this table. Okay, 90,000 plus 10,000, we get 100,000, right? 100,000. And 100,000 divided by 2, we're going to get 50,000. So that's our average investment. So now, since we've got our average investment and our average profit, all right, we're going to say our average rate of return, ARR, going to go to average profit divided by average investment. Divided by average investment multiplied by 100%. So that's 1,000%. Multiplied by 100%. So we're going to say our average profit was 5,000. We're going to divide by our investment, which was 50,000, and we'll multiply that by 100. All right, so 5,000 divided by 50,000, that is 0.1. 5,000 divided by 50,000, 0.1. 0.1 times 100, we get 10%. Right, we get 10%. So if we had a cost of capital here, we said the cost of capital, for example, is 15%, and find our average rate of return is 10%, wouldn't accept this. Right? Whenever the average rate of return is greater than the cost of capital, that's when you can invest.